Hello everybody, how are you? I am Mohammed Ahmed and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. Our today's question is: a saline requires protective isolation. Which saline can be safely paired with this saline in a saline care assignment? One, admitted with unstable diabetes mellitus. Option 2, who underwent surgical repair of a perforated bowel. Option 3, with a stage 3 sacral pressure ulcer. Option 4, admitted with a urinary tract infection. The correct answer of the question: answer 1, admitted with unstable diabetes mellitus. Rationale: the saline with unstable diabetes mellitus can safely be paired in a saline care assignment because the saline is free from infection. Perfection of the bowel exposes the saline to infection, requiring antibiotic therapy during the post-operative period. Therefore, this saline should not be paired with a saline in protective isolation. A saline in protective isolation should not be paired with a saline who has an open wound such as a stage 3 pressure ulcer, or right with a saline who has a urinary tract infection. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.